Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install the website accessibility widget by OneTap in order to comply with website accessibility guidelines. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. I'll be installing this accessibility plugin here, so accessibility widget by OneTap. Okay, so what you want to do is go here into plugins and add plugins. Okay, and then we'll search OneTap. Okay, and then install now. Okay, and then activate. Okay, so it's over here on the sidebar now, so we can go here into widget. Okay, so here's the widget. So you can first customize the icon here, okay, as well as the widget position. Okay, and then here are the modules. So it can help with these kind of impairments. So if the font size is too small, then it'll enlarge it for the user, as well as say the contrast as well. And highlighting links. So if your links are not visible, then it'll automatically highlight the links for improved usability. Okay, so we're just using the free version here. Okay, so we won't be able to use these pro features, but the free version has most of the website accessibility features that we need. Okay, and then let's see over here. So the orientation, so it highlights the current line to track reading progression. So this is just for reading. Okay, hiding images, and then stopping animations to reduce distractions. Okay, so those are the modules enabled. So again, you can disable them here as you please, but I'll just keep them all on because that's how it was by default. Okay, next we can go here into statement. Okay, so you can set up a accessibility statement here. So we can just use one for my company here, and then I'll automatically generate it. legal@mapbulletmedia.ca. Okay, and then the website mapbulletmedia.ca, and then generate the text and enable the statement. Awesome. So we'll save this. So now our accessibility policy is stated here. Okay, and then we can go here into settings. Okay, and then you can hide the OneTap logo. So that's only available for the pro version. So it's just free marketing on their end to allow you to use the widget for free. Okay, so we can save the change, and let's have a look at the widget on the front end now. Okay, so let's go onto the home page. And awesome, so it's right here in the corner now, and then we can click into that. And then we have all these accessibility modules available here. So we can increase the font size, and it's doing that now. You can see on the left-hand side. Okay, and we can make the cursor bigger here, like so. Improve the font readability. So let's just go down to like a body of text here. And then again, you can just slide it down here. Okay, so I'll just remove that. Okay, and then letter spacing. So this will make it more stretched out. Align text. That's doing all of that. So depending on the user's needs, then they can come in here and change it up. Say it's in this light mode here, but you want it to be in dark mode. You can go say high contrast, and then I'll gray it out here, or we can go light contrast or monochrome, so it's just black and white. Okay, and then the reading mode. So again, we have the reading lines here, so you can keep track of where you're reading here. So that's reading line. Okay, and disable that. And reading mask, so it just helps with highlighting the area of focus. And then hide image here, just hides all the images if you're just focusing on the text. Then highlight content, just highlighting the element boxes here based on a web developer's perspective. Okay, and then stop animations. Okay, so let me just reset here. Okay, and then stop animation, and then when you scroll down, the sliding animation disappears. Okay, and then highlight links. And now I'll just close this out. So we see over here, now the links are more visible for the user, especially if it's like within the text here. Sometimes we add links to bodies of text, which makes it sometimes hard to distinguish. So great, so these are all the available accessibility adjustments available in the free version. I think it's sufficient enough to comply with website accessibility laws. Okay, so let's just look over the pro version to see their offering to conclude this video. Okay, so back here in the dashboard, we can just go to Get Pro and see what they market. Okay, so awesome. So this is their offering here. So they currently have a 46% off discount without any affiliate link. It's just site-wide. Okay, so for one website, it's 69 US per year. And then you just get additional modules over here, and then the ability to hide the branding if that's not something you want to market. So I'd recommend this widget to comply with the web content accessibility guidelines, especially in Europe, as web compliance is stricter in that jurisdiction. So if you're looking to get the pro version, then I would recommend hopping on this promotion just so you get the discount compared to paying the regular price. But as we can see with the free version, it already offers sufficient amount of accessibility features to comply with the accessibility guidelines. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to follow along and set up the website accessibility widget. If you need any help with any web design or web development projects, then you can contact me at mapletmedia.ca. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos, and thanks for watching.